Thing over here is the gist of allegations. The complainant is their own officer, so there's no private complainant.
Read the gist of allegations.
Explicit and malicious campaign against honorable judges of Supreme Court of Pakistan.
No, continue reading.
Therefore, you are directed to appear before the undersigned to record your version at FIA Cybercrime Reporting Center on such and such date at Sunset Building, positively in interest of justice for fair trial process. In case of non-appearance, it will be assumed you have nothing to present or state in your defense.
This is a notice under 160 CRPC.
Ji, sir.
Let's read 160.
Any police officer making an investigation under this chapter may, by order in writing, require the attendance before himself of any person being within limits of his own or any adjoining station, who, from the information given or otherwise, appears to be acquainted with the circumstances of the case, and such person shall attend as so required.
Has the law been violated?
Yes, sir.
How?
They had no power to investigate. There was no magistrate's order.
No, at the moment, no FIR has been registered.
Yes.
This is pre...
Sir,
I'm just trying to understand. It doesn't say after registration of an FIR.
Sir,
I mean, you may be called upon as a witness even. Yes.
Sir, investigation.
Again, let's go logically. Tomorrow I can receive a notice. Someone may mention me as a witness. It's not the case is against me. So I just want to, you can say it, this is a intent, they want to harass me, वो तो एक अलग बात है, but are they proceeding legally or not? ये हमें देखना है ना?
जी सर.
ठीक है, वो मिसयूज वाली बात अलग होती है. वो आप किसी को भी, अब हो सकता है कोई कल कोई पता नहीं कोई केस हो, मुझे क्या पता, कोई बैंक में डाका हुआ था और वो खड़े थे सामने, मेरा नाम लिख दिया, तो पुलिस मुझे नोटिस दे देगी. ठीक है, तो ये उन्होंने उस किस्म की नोटिस दी. अभी आपका केस तो कोई रजिस्टर्ड नहीं है, मुझे पता नहीं कि किस लिए है.
Not someone
when I go there, I'll find out.
Someone is accused.
अभी उन्होंने आपको accused तो नहीं nominate किया ना. It's not you are FIR has been registered. Why are you assuming it? They may want to exonerate you, or they may want to harass you.
My lord.
Yes, sir. Attend to this.
Yes. Sir, the way I understand it is that FIA has no power of investigation unless it relates to a cognizable offence. If an offence is
जी ये आपका कहीं नुकसान ना कर दे ये चीज मैं आपको बताऊं.
जी सर.
कभी कभी ऊपर से बहुत प्रेशर आता है, ठीक है, तो वो कुछ करने के लिए दिखाने के लिए कार्रवाई शायद वो भी अफसर समझता हो कि जी ये काम सही नहीं है. सर हमने नोटिस दिया तो जरा सा प्रेशर भी उन्हें डिफ्लेक्ट कर दिया, आपको भी उन्हें अरेस्ट नहीं किया और FIR भी नहीं काटी. दे काइंड ऑफ let's live in the real world. Maybe this could be that, maybe it's not that. Otherwise they can just simply go and register an FIR, pick you up, arrest you.
My lord, they have not, except for one person, they didn't arrest anyone actually. But this is exactly what the design was. You make an open-ended inquiry.
देखिए we can't strike down a legal action. If you can say it's an illegal action, we can strike it down. We cannot read what is in the mind of a person issuing the notice unless it is obvious. ठीक है? So if we make those precedents, then तो कभी genuine inquiries में वो कहेंगे जी सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जजमेंट है, आप हमें नोटिस ही नहीं दे सकते हैं.
जी सर.
They may just want you as a witness. They may want you in other capacity as well. They may, I don't know, whatever capacities there are.
Sir, let me try and explain myself, sir. The law is that if it is a cognizable offence, FIA or the police can investigate of its own accord. if it is not a cognizable offence, FIA cannot investigate, it cannot inquire, it cannot do anything.
You're missing the whole point. Read again section 160.
Ji, sir.
Read the title of section 160.
Police officers' power to require attendance of witnesses.
Witnesses?
Yes, sir.
It doesn't say accused,
sir,
or potential accused.
My lord, if we are dealing with practicalities, your lordship knows the section 160 notice goes, you appear before the office, then it is at the discretion of the FIA to keep you there or not.
I gave you an example.
Ji, sir.
Where a officer who's under pressure is finding a solution to keep you also, to keep his, whoever's pushing him pacified, and at the same time not to harm you. We have to see all the scenarios. So they talk a middle way. अगर हम कहते हैं कि ये notice दे ही नहीं सकते हैं FIA, so we are striking down section 160.
No, not at all. Then section 160 says any police officer making an investigation. How are you making an investigation when there is no FIR?
It says require attendance of witness.
जी sir, आगे sir. Any
लेकिन that is also there. Naturally there will be some investigation.
Sir, वो तो title है ना, attendance of witness. उसके नीचे जो actual section है that says any police officer making an investigation under this chapter may require the attendance. How can you make an investigation when there is no FIR? Without an FIR, how? And you cannot have an FIR if it is not a cognizable offence. What happens is that on a non-cog offence,
how do you know there's no FIR?
Sir, then they have to disclose it. That is the requirement. Yes.
Witness को disclose करने की
बिल्कुल है sir. Sir, 2012 SCMR.
SCMR से पहले कानून खत्म करने ना.
जी sir.
We always run to SCMR. Sir. We just finish the law.
Sir, if your lordship will look at 154 and 155 also. In 154, that relates to cognizable offences. Then 155 relates to non-cognizable offences, and 155(2) may be seen, sir. No police officer shall investigate a non-cognizable case without the order of a magistrate. Now, that is the crucial difference.
No, 1 second. When you issue a notice under section 160, do you have to say FIR number so and so has been registered against so and so after obtaining permission of a magistrate, make all this disclosure, or can they just say, can you please come?
No, they can't say that, sir. The FIR is a predicate, and then when
they're saying the notice doesn't need to mention that.
Sir, the notice does. That has been defined by this court, that you cannot give vague information to citizens and require them to appear at police stations. You have to tell them the offence. You have to tell them the details of the allegations.
But 160 doesn't say that.
My lord, that is the interpretation that has been taken by this court.
Now let's go to interpretation.
Ji, sir. Because
show us the interpretation.
Sir,
which citation?
Sir, ये PLD 2012 I'll just PLD 2012 Supreme Court 903.
PLD 2012
903, sir.
ये section 160 पे?
जी sir. जो NAB, in the context of NAB.
No, just see, tell us 160.
Sir, NAB भी 160 का notice वो.
Where is that portion? Let's read that portion.
Sorry, sir.
Let's read that portion pertaining to section 160 notice. Because we are dealing with a notice that was issued to you under section 160.
If your lordship sees para 13. May I read, sir?
Error?
13 at page 914.
Ji.
The clear and unambiguous pronouncements given in the case titled Ghulam Hussain Baloch and others, PLA so and so, were violated by NAB in its two